Namaste. Advantages of yoga. Practice of yoga helps you to be lucky in the world because you are going to train up your mind. Housewife who is working, she'll get into problems unknowingly. In the sense she is working, while working itself she is going to scold for somebody. My fate is not good, so God is punishing me through work. My father and mother also want me to pull outside. That made me this punishment. This marriage life is irritating me like anything. She is getting 7 days of strain in 1 day work because she keep on stressing herself by scolding, by murmuring. But after practicing yoga, she is going to change her mood. She is going to focus on the work, what she is doing. Oh, I am working, why I want to scream? Then she started singing the song. La 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 la. She is getting happiness through work. Earlier she was getting problems through that work. Now she is getting benefits. She was not getting sleep. Her BP was variating. She was getting back pain, neck pain. She was getting pain in the hands because of her stress. Now nothing. She is feeling happy. By evening itself she was feeling tired. Now she is not tired. She is feeling happy to work. She can feel like working. She can work even another 4 to 5 hours also easily. This is the way yoga going to handle you. And the next thing is student. He's keep on reading. He is not understanding anything at all because he is focusing on the other thing. Only 10 to 20% attention on that reading. Another 70 to 80% is outside only. Cricket, TV, mobile, that, this and all. How come he can understand? But after practicing yoga, he is going to train up his mind. He can cover 8 hours process in half an hour. And next thing is, he is going to bring the senses inside. So, it is essential for the students, and they learn to get good subject from the senses. Actually, there is a statement. Senses are the heaven and senses are the earth, senses are the hell. Controlled senses are the heaven for you. Uncontrolled senses are problematic. So you should learn to control your senses. There is a subject, pratyahara. There you are going to withdraw your senses from outside to inside. There you get control over the senses. That's enough. You learn to give good subject to the senses. It's not good for us. So you can change it, or you'll take the book and you can read it easily. You should learn to give good subject to the senses. That itself will mold you in a right way. Yoga will make you like that. You should select which is good, which is not, which is good, which is not. Gradually that will make you happy person, healthy person. Then what do you want in life? Another thing is that you'll come to know that senses are like a fire. If you put tire into that, it creates fog, bad smell. If you put sandalwood, it creates fragrance and happiness. Is not it? So you will learn to give good subject to the senses by practicing yoga. You'll hear the stotras. You'll take good subject about asanas, pranayama, many things. You'll always hear good thing only that make you happy.